Don't miss Son of a Critch this Thursday at 8, 7 Central.
Now at 10, a high surf threat. The preparations along Southern California beaches tonight as the biggest waves of the season could cause coastal flooding.
Plus, a twisted murder in the South Bay. What we are learning tonight about the sledgehammer attack that left a woman dead.
And solving a stolen car mystery. The Maserati discovered inside a downtown L.A. homeless encampment. Now on the news at 10. Good evening, I'm Micah Ullman.
And I'm Cher Calvin. Communities up and down the California coast are bracing for monstrous waves, life-threatening rip currents, and coastal flooding.
In Southern California, powerful swells are expected to reach as high as 14 feet. High surf and coastal flooding advisories are set to go into effect in a matter of hours for L.A. and Ventura County beaches. The strong swells may be a draw for surfers, but lifeguards are warning that the water can be treacherous.
We have live team coverage of the high surf. Chris Wolf is standing by live in Manhattan Beach. But first, we check in with KTLA meteorologist Vera Jimenez for a look at how long the dangerous conditions will last. Vera.
Thank you so much. Well, the last of these is due to expire on Saturday. So this is going to be an extended period of these dangerous conditions along the coast, and they're being brought about by a strong Pacific storm that at this point is off the coast of Northern California and Oregon. And as we take a look at these numbers, they're quite impressive. LA County beaches are going to see heights of 7 to 12 feet, some sets as much as 15 to 20 along the Ventura County coast. Average heights will be 10 to 15, some sets to 20, and for Orange County, we are looking at 6 to 12 feet. These are going to be extremely dangerous. There's also going to be life-threatening rip currents, and as you mentioned earlier, there's also going to be some flooding along the coast, pooling of seawater, and there is also going to be the possibility of structure damage, like along the piers and some of the jetties. So what the National Weather Service is really recommending is that if you do go out to anywhere where there are jetties, please do not stand on those jetties because you could get knocked down by one of those really strong and powerful waves. Manhattan Beach and Hermosa Beach in particular along the LA County coastline are going to see the biggest waves there. And then for Orange County, it will be the northern end of those Orange County beaches that will be impacted. We'll take a look at the rest of the numbers, the details, and of course the possibility of some rain coming up in just a few minutes. For now, I'll send it back to you guys.
Thank you, Vera. The high surf is expected to draw large crowds to the beach, but whether you're in the water or just watching the waves, lifeguards are urging extreme caution.
KTLA's Chris Wolf is live in Manhattan Beach with the preparations underway to keep people and property safe. Chris.
That's right, Micah and Cher. Conditions are calm right now, but as we just heard from Vera, Manhattan Beach is just one of the communities listed in severe weather alerts for the next few days. The National Weather Service is using terms like tremendous wave energy and extremely dangerous conditions at the beaches. Some intense waves crashing along the coast in Manhattan Beach Wednesday night may be a sign of things to come, dangers to come as the new year fast approaches. The National Weather Service is warning several communities along the central and southern California coast about potentially destructive ocean activity. Experts say beach conditions will become extremely dangerous during the next few days, with high surf, life-threatening rip currents, possibly damaging coastal flooding and significant beach erosion. Los Angeles, Ventura, and Santa Barbara counties are on alert. Waves 15 to 20 feet high could be hammering the shoreline starting Thursday. People are urged to stay out of the water because of an exceptional risk of ocean drowning. Is your family aware of this high surf advisory, huge waves expected tomorrow for the next few days?
Yeah,